Welcome to Intact Knowledge. In this video, we will cover advanced HVAC air balancing and testing interview questions and answers. If you want to master HVAC air balancing and testing interviews, watch this video till the end. Let's start.
Question 1. What is HVAC air balancing and why is it required? Answer. HVAC air balancing is the process of adjusting airflows to match design values, ensuring equal and correct air distribution, maintaining occupant comfort, improving system energy efficiency. Air balancing is essential after duct installation and before final handover. Question 2. What is TAB in HVAC systems? Answer. TAB stands for Testing, Adjusting, and Balancing, and it involves measuring airflow, pressure, and temperature, adjusting dampers and fan speeds, verifying system performance against design, ensuring proper HVAC system operation. TAB is a mandatory requirement in most Gulf projects. Question 3. What instruments are used for HVAC air balancing? Answer. Common air balancing instruments include anemometer, pit-out tube with manometer, airflow capture hood, differential pressure gauge. Proper calibration of instruments is critical for accurate results. Question 4. Why is air balancing done after duct installation? Answer. Air balancing is done after duct installation because duct leakage and restrictions affect airflow, final damper positions must be adjusted, design air quantities must be verified, system performance depends on actual installation, balancing before completion leads to inaccurate results. Question 5. What problems occur if air balancing is not performed? Answer. Without air balancing, the system may experience uneven room temperatures, poor airflow at diffusers, excessive noise, increased energy consumption. Unbalanced systems lead to occupant complaints and inefficiency. Question 6. What is the role of volume control dampers during air balancing? Answer. Volume control dampers are used to regulate airflow to each branch, achieve design airflow values, balance supply and return air, control static pressure distribution. Incorrect damper adjustment causes airflow imbalance. Question 7. What is static pressure and why is it important in air balancing? Answer. Static pressure represents resistance to airflow inside ductwork, fan operating condition, system airflow performance. High static pressure indicates restrictions or improper duct design. Question 8. How is airflow measured at diffusers during testing? Answer. Airflow at diffusers is measured by using an airflow capture hood, measuring face velocity with an anemometer, calculating airflow based on diffuser size. Accurate measurement ensures correct room air distribution. Question 9. What documents are prepared after HVAC air balancing? Answer. After air balancing, the following documents are prepared: TAB reports, airflow measurement records, system performance verification data, client and consultant approval documents. These records are part of final project handover. Question 10. What are common mistakes made during HVAC air balancing? Answer. Common air balancing mistakes include skipping duct leakage checks, incorrect instrument usage, improper damper adjustment sequence, ignoring system design limitations. Proper procedures ensure reliable and repeatable results. These were advanced HVAC air balancing and testing interview questions based on real site commissioning scenarios. In the next video, we will cover AHU and FCU commissioning interview questions. Like, share, and subscribe to Intact Knowledge for professional HVAC learning and expert interview preparation. Thank you.